Carolina Governor McMaster signed a bill into law this afternoon that bans nearly all abortions in the state, but it may lead to another long legal battle. WSAV News' Andrew Davis is joining us from the Lowcountry newsroom with that story.
Well, Ben, other than the fact that the bill is one of the strictest in the nation, many pro-life advocates want this legislation to be debated, not just in the Palmetto State, but also believe that this battle will go all the way to the Supreme Court.
What we are doing here today is recognized repeatedly in our founding documents. They've stood the test of time.
Governor Henry McMaster believes time and the Declaration of Independence are on his side when it comes to the Fetal Heartbeat and Protection from Abortion Act.
If there is not a right to life, then what life is there? What rights exist, if not the elementary, fundamental, profound right to life?
The law requires doctors to perform ultrasounds to check for a heartbeat. If one is detected, then an abortion cannot be performed. There is no exception for rape or incest in the bill, only the mother's health. Anyone who breaks the rules and performs an abortion could go to prison for 2 years and face a $10,000 fine. Opponents in the legislature say this bill goes too far.
Get out of these people's house. That should be a situation between woman and God, woman, her mate, and her husband and God. But this should not be a situation that the General Assembly tells a woman what they can and cannot do with their body.
It's a deception bill to make people feel good, but it's not helping children, it's not helping women, and it's definitely not biblical.
By placing something on paper does not mean it's going to stop. You're going to have doctors who's still going to perform. And they'll pay $10,000 fine.
When it comes down to abortion, a woman should have the right to make her own decision. And if anyone thinks that that's a sin, then that's between her and her God.
Planned Parenthood already filed a lawsuit right after the bill was signed into law by the governor, calling it blatantly unconstitutional. More than a dozen states have passed similar bills in the past. All of those are still tied up in court and have not taken effect. Andrew Davis, WSAV News 3, on your side.